Good morning, Sri Lanka. Good morning, dear children. Good morning, everyone else. I was going to go for my run today, but it's raining, it's pouring outside, thundering and lightning. I was afraid to go for a run. Why not? I'm running and back around. So I decided to stay home. Corona vidulu karna bayat ekeli echara inde. Right. So I'm going to stay home. I just wanted to say hello to you guys and say my activity in the morning. Right. So I wish you all a beautiful day, even though it's raining. I believe that you will stay warm. Right. Nidaganda niyama vedayega. Right. Yeah, right. Okay, I'll see you guys in next video. And my students, I'll see you guys in the class. All right. Enjoy. Bye.